the way, how did you get invited to Raider Publishing?
I got the email the same day as I got rejected from another publisher.
On the same day?
I'm used to it. I get rejections all the time.
The life of a struggling writer. I can relate.
Oh, this is gonna kick ass! Step back.
Okay, this is the heart of the forest, the very essence of the wilderness.
Sounds intriguing.
Behold!
Zoe? Hey! Knock it off! Show yourself! Is that you?
Yup. I'm like Mother Earth now, and I make the rules. Sort of.
So, you control the environment now?
Yes. See me as your almighty guide.
Then take me to the exit.
Sure. But you forgot to say please, Tiny Mio.
Please. And don't call me Tiny.
Monkey Mio, yeah!
Don't break my concentration!
Despite the simulation pickle we found ourselves in, I do believe we'll be all right in the end.
But we have no idea what it will take to escape this mess.
When in doubt, choose hope.
I'm not kidding when I say this, but I think your positivity might be...
Moving, inspiring.
Yeah, that was not where I was going.
Remember, no one offends Mother Earth and gets away with it.
Please don't kill me.
All right, stomp that stump.